Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do luxury unboxing, fashion, makeup, skincare hauls, as well as I will keep you an update on how you can purchase the hard to get bags and small leather goods at the Louis Vuitton website. So if you're interested in those type of videos, kindly subscribe to my channel, please, as well as turn on that bell all the way up so you get notification when I upload next time. I promise you, you will not regret subscribing. Today we're going to do just a double quick unboxing and that's it. So let's begin. We'll begin with this first box. I actually ordered this all the way from London, from Harvey Nichols. Any idea on what's inside the bag? This is the Givenchy ANTIGONA NANO, or Antigona, however you pronounce it. Tomatoes, it's all the same. So let's open it. Wow. Oh wow. Normally this strap comes with, okay, I hate those noise. Normally they wrapped the strap, and the strap normally comes inside the box, so that's not a good sign. But I love the color. I actually got this in taupe. This is what it looks like on the front. I hope you can see it. On the side, and the back, and on the other side where they attach the strap. Whoa. Okay, so this comes with a detachable strap. Let me see if I can remove it. Right there. It comes, let me see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the strap comes with 5 holes, so you can adjust it depending on your height. The silver hardware is really good, but why didn't they wrap this one up? I hope there's nothing wrong with the bag. The leather is so good, and this looks so good, but oops. Okay, here we go. That's not a good sign. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a scratch right there, as well as it's not symmetrical. If you can see it from right here, look at this tiny bump right here in the corner. And on the back, wow, there's just more damage. Look at this right here, all the way at the bottom. That's not a good sign. I don't know if I'm keeping this, as well as there's another one right there, right here. Oh, this is a beautiful purse. I really wanted to keep it, but do you think this will go back? I mean, the shape. Okay, let's try the zipper. This is not a good start on my first unboxing. Okay, let's try the zipper. As always, I love their zippers. It is very, very good. Okay, at least they packed this one. Okay, here's the care booklet and a sample of the leather. And that's what it looks like inside. And there is a tiny side pocket, just enough for your cards or your driver's license. I'm not sure if you can see it, it's right here. Oh, this is a very good purse, but I don't know if I can really take this or keep it. Let me know at the comment section if you guys, if it's acceptable to you, if you receive this type of bag and you spend all this much money and you'll keep this bag. I need to send them an email and let them know what I received. So let me just put this away and let's move on the second box. Hi everybody, I'm back. So let's move on with the second box because the first one was obviously not so good. Hopefully this one isn't, but I'm actually a little bit concerned because this box came today, and if you notice, there's like a big water spot right there. I don't know what it is, but hopefully there's nothing wrong inside. So let's open it. Okay, as always, you already know this, guys. This is the proof of purchase. It comes with the receipt, the return label, as well as the instruction on how to return it. Do you have any idea what's inside this box? Let's open it. This is the one I'm most excited about. Probably you already have an idea what this one is. By the way, I'm actually going to put a mod shots of each of these purses on me and on my height and on my body frame, so you'll be able to decide if you want to get one of these nanos. So let's move on with this one. Yes, I know. This is, oh wow, okay, this is what it looks like. This is the, I'm sorry, I apologize, I'm not too focused today and there's just a lot been going on, but anyway, this is the Louis Vuitton Nano No Way. Oh wow, they also put this air paper bag or air paper. Thank you, Louis Vuitton. This is what it looks like on the front. On the side. On the back. And on the other side. And at the bottom. This is actually made in France. And this is what it looks like inside. Just nothing. And the strap looks perfect. And the stitching on the front is just perfect. I hope you can see it, guys, and the camera is focusing on the stitches. that's it. Okay, so that's it. It comes with just a textile lining, and if you're gonna be asking me, the drop of the strap is 20.9 inches. So this might be something that you might have to think of depending on your height. This is just beautiful. I've been wanting this bag or purse for so long, and I always miss every chance I get. So as soon as this became available online, I bought it right away, and I'm so happy this is finally here. And yes, there's nothing wrong with this bag. I actually like this. Let's like tie this up so you can see the beauty when it's has a bow in front. It just looks so beautiful. This is what it looks like with, I hope I did it correctly. Yep. This is what it looks like with a bow. Isn't it beautiful? And if you're going to ask me if I will get the Speedy Nano, no, I'm not going to get the Speedy Nano. This is enough for me. That's it for the unboxing, guys. And to all of my friends who noticed that I haven't been so active in my social media and on my YouTube, and I haven't watched some of your videos, please apologize. We just lost a family member. Not because of COVID, but because she was old. She was 96 years old. She would have been 97 next month. So we're taking it slow. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, give me a couple of days and I will be back. And I promise you, just like I always promise you, I will support you all the way to the finish line. Again, that's it for my unboxing. Please continue to stay safe and healthy and take care of each other. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you very soon. See ya.